Fambulen, Unadu, Mina Kurma SLPP, the CEO of the Glad Movement, with my brother Fofona. Well, Fambulen, we don't reach Mattru John as we watch all the vehicle and park. All the vehicle them are brand new vehicle. I say brand new vehicle. As we watch them. Now this President Bio they do, and now this President Bio they try for talk about, from Kpetema to Mattru John, the road, they're happy. The people they be so glad, they're so happy and appreciate. In fact, now they be the commoner and tell the young people and say, do you allow come out? Love you come out, love you go register. For make we maintain the government na power, for make President Bio be re-elected, for be the president, and for continue for be the president of the Republic of Sierra Leone. Mr. President, the Mattru John people and say, make I tell you plenty thank you for the surprise package where you don't somebody. As they all be goodie, then go watch, then hardware machine then then don't get confidence indeed. Kpetema to Mattru John road. Now don't deal. Well, Fambulen, as we watch the machine, the different type of machine, different type of heavy duty machine there and trucks them. The Fambulen, I want to say this company now from Ghana. This na Maripoma company, Maripoma Enterprise Limited from Ghana. We want to tell President Bio plenty thank you, and also the Chief Minister, Honorable JJ Safar.
Yes,
so long watch now.
Now,
me and my brother, we na Fofona. We don't reach Mattru John now. As we watch the documentary, I don't video all the vehicles where we carry it. So Fofona, what's the last message we get for the people?
Yeah, thank you.
Today we don't struggle. Now we don't reach now.
Yeah, thank you very much, Kroma. Famulem, we don't finally arrive inside Mattru John where the people they receive well, they celebrate all over. The Chief Minister do a perfect coordination. Thanks to the Chief Minister, we proactive, most vibrant Chief Minister, and also thanks to Minister Tura Senesi, the Minister of Lands, for the reception. Family, we don't reach. We start yesterday. The joining from there, we don't reach Mattru John. All the equipment, they don't assemble, they all layer from there. Just the wait for the ballast equipment. Them we
left the road.
We left the road.
Yeah, we're in the car there.
Yeah, we in our attacking from there for join this balance equipment for start the
operation.
Yes. And this OKR, if for start this month, aggressive operation for start this month for them we will complete this particular road project. This road now only to the hometown of President Bio, and this particular road now a must road for President Bio. We are 42.5 kilometers.
Yeah, Fambulen, as we are ready for Fofona, now so you happen exactly. We don't come and when I watch around the machine there. Now they see, Now they see now,
Now they see all the machine them.
Now they see now, Now they see there. So now so you don't happy, so you don't reach now. We want to tell President Bio plenty thank you.
I want to tell the Chief Minister back plenty thank you.
Honorable JJ Safar, Minister for plenty thank you. Tura Senesi, thank you. One thing we are glad for, the people are so happy. They promote. In fact, they dance and say they go register more and more. In fact, everyone put law say anybody go register. Get facility at the other. But hey, maybe a joke. When we encourage and company the city because they want for re-elect President again come 2023. They need to come out because they notice now we SL people don't have power, their opportunity in the Canada. Right? APC don't have power for 11 years. Nothing is too happy.
And the solar electrification business back they go on inside the town.
Yes.
They don't fix all the problem.
Everything not fix up.
Mattru John life.
For just purpose now they keep it now.
Now President Bio they do the road construction.
The road construction
for the people of Mattru John.
Yes, so now they park inside. Now they park inside with this one now. So Fambulen, we don't believe in the SLPP. We want to continue for trust the process. Also.
And vote for President Bio. Make sure say you register. You vote now you write. Register and vote for President Bio.
Mind you, if you don't register, you don't go vote.
You don't go vote. Make sure say you register. Like me and my brother Kroma SLPP, I will be the first people register. We don't register.
Run down.
From there, make sure say you self register out there for make you vote President Bia and make we go win 2023 first round.
No
and
run
we no say 2023 no run.
But we get some.
Now we the winner.
No, but we want for beat them disgraceful way.
One big set 75%.
At least.
I would have beat Tolongo than 25%.
And the Wololus.
Yes, we give them 75%.
The Tolongo PPP.
Tolongo and PPP, they don't lost focus, frustrated and disgusted to our social media. So they beat them 75%. Thanks to Chief Minister DJ Sapa, thanks to Tura Senesi, thanks to all people for the exception and with coordination follow with the rich mattru John and follow how their equipment.
Unatata.
Bye bye.